The Ketogenic Diet, a detailed guide to keto. The ketogenic diet or keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that offers many health benefits. In fact, over 20 studies show that this type of diet can help you lose weight and improve your health. Ketogenic diets may even have benefits against diabetes, cancer, epilepsy and Alzheimer's disease. Here is a detail to the keto diet. What is a ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet is a very low-carb, high-fat diet that shares many similarities with the Atkins and low-carb diets. It involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. When this happens, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It also turns fat into ketones in the liver, which can supply energy for the brain. Ketogenic diets can cause massive reductions in blood sugar and insulin levels. This, along with the increased ketones, has numerous health benefits. Different types of ketogenic diets. There are several versions of the ketogenic diet, including Standard Ketogenic Diet. This is a very low-carb, moderate protein and high-fat diet. It typically contains 75% fat, 20% protein and only 5% carbs. Cyclical Ketogenic Diet. This diet involves periods of higher carb refeeds, such as 5 ketogenic days followed by 2 high-carb days. Targeted Ketogenic Diet. This diet allows you to add carbs around workouts. High-protein ketogenic diet. This is similar to a standard ketogenic diet, but includes more protein. The ratio is often 60% fat, 35% protein and 5% carbs. However, only the standard and high-protein ketogenic diets have been studied extensively. Cyclical or targeted ketogenic diets are more advanced methods and primarily used by bodybuilders or athletes. The information in this video mostly applies to the standard ketogenic diet, although many of the same principles also apply to the other versions. If you want to know about 5 veggies to boost female metabolism, please click the link in the description below. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.